It's day 4 in the Philippines, Cebu, and this morning we are going to start our way for breakfast. And my mom, Alex, and my husband, we are going to Bohol today to go to Panglao and stay in Bohol Beach Club. But we're still trying to pack because we're going to put all these luggages downstairs, and whatever we bring to Bohol, that's the only luggage that we're bringing. So yesterday was a lot of fun. We went south of Cebu. You can also see that, I guess, in one of my videos. So but today's a brand new day and it'll be a different adventure.
My eyes are awake when I'm around you. You open up sides of me I've never known. You seem to have a way that can bust through the toughest of walls that I've built as I've grown. And I'm not really one for adventures, but life with you gets so out of hand. It seems as though the crazy's contagious. And
I definitely recommend this hotel. So it's Holiday Inn near Ayala Mall in Business Park. They have a great service. The buffet is absolutely amazing, delicious, have a different variety. You'll never get bored of their food because I think they changed it every day as well, like the menu. So a lot of good stuff. Ano dito? Ikaw magpahimo ka. Puto.
Start pa man.
Mao.
We have typhoons over the United States too, what they call hurricanes. And the hurricane that came through made a direct hit on my city. And my mother's house, she's 89 years old. That's her house right there. So that's the outside of her home. This is the inside of the house. It's the bedroom where she sleeps. And it happened at night. Okay, so we get typhoons too. It's called hurricanes. This is what happens. My sister, before we left, my sister came out to stay there because I wasn't going to be there. So she stayed with her. And I've been in brief communication with her. She sent me the pictures. She's fine. My mom's fine. They're fine. I had to send them insurance for the house and all because I take care of all that stuff. And they're staying at a neighbor's house right in the neighborhood. They're staying right over there. So they took them in, so they're staying right there. But still, just looking at the pictures, it's like, oh man. You know?
Guba kay ang kwarto. Ang kwarto niya, ang sala katong na TV, sa sala sa TV ka na. Nahugno ba? May ganun. Oh.
Mamo, nalang mo.
Gavin!
Hi, Gavin!
Oh.
Ano yung name na daw?
Basta na mo ba? Ha? Ay, bulldozer daw, oy.
Bulldozer?
Oh, na.
Your Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike mo?
Oh my God, it's an invasion!
Six na yun.
Ha?
Ma'am, Tagbilaran. 1 p.m. 1 p.m.
Tourist.
Tourist, duha ka adult, duha ka senior. You have your license ID?
I have a license.
Yeah, they need an ID.
We're buying tickets to go to Panglao, Bohol, right now. And this is the prices.
One ticket. A strap around your shoulder.
Huh?
Probably be easier.
Oh, the traveler. Traveler. All right. Ready to board Ocean Jet. Napay tatak inyong kuya PWD. 4. Thank you. I think that's only $1. Yeah. Oh, may ID exception. Wala no, there's an exception for
Seniors?
seniors. So what may bayad seniors? Just show your ID. See?
You got change?
Um, 10, 20, 25. There you go. Oh.
Wala eh. Ano diri ka? Lamay na ano.
Oh, we'll check in. Hi.
Just been going with you. I
Tagbilaran, upat ka buok.
Bilaran ra.
Oh.
Sir, wala ra ba linya niya? But apparently the Are naman ako, hanap pikas. Wala linya ni. Marina. And are you guys able to send me that lead? Gate number 8, thank you.
Gate number 8. Thank you. Four.
Chicken mo yung luggage mo.
We'll check in our luggage. This one ra kanira.
50, ma'am.
50, $1. Gate number 8. Bisa nasa ra tanin ko dito takiyaw.
Feeling good, feeling great. 'Cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great. And I know
Hi, Nay. Hi, Mike. Hey, Alex.
Sweating at the terminal.
Hi.
We
We are on our way to Bohol.
away. You can't take that away. You can't take that away. 'Cause today it is my day. Feeling great. 'Cause I got a
Thank you.
smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day.
Warming up for
You can't
2050.
take that away.
2 hours later.
Ah, si Kuan man. Si Mike. Aw. Okay. I'm still am. But before it was really not good.
Grabe sa lapu-lapu ito nga nanay tulis dagat pa. Koron ho, di mo balis koron. Dako na utro ron. Koron na kita kasi. Balik.
That's the check-in right there. Oh my goodness. This is exactly the video that we watched on YouTube. And now we're here. Welcome to Bohol Beach Club. This is our room.
Oh, hello. Come on in.
All right. We have 2 beds, 1 queen and 1 double bed. But the front desk was saying that they can sterilize it tonight and then join this bed together because they don't have a king size bed.
So we could be really far apart.
Yeah, the bed will be so huge and wide. So what else do we have here? We have things that you can put your luggage, your bags, TV, your desk, like a little mini fridge or mini fridge. There you go. And you can enjoy your coffee here. That's all complimentary coffee. And then the front desk was saying that we can actually refill our water here. There's a refilling station for free. So this is your, where you put your clothes. Oh, they actually have 2 umbrellas, hangers, safety box, the slippers, laundry bags, and this is their restroom. A good size restroom. And then this is their toilet. And then I think this is the shower. pretty good size. Beautiful. You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's very
I like it.
nice. Is there anything else you want to say?
No. Well, this comes with a free breakfast.
Yeah, free
So
breakfast.
we both all have free breakfasts for the time that we're here. So your mom doesn't have to use her senior citizen card.
Green with mushroom soup.
Eyes correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's it for me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Healthy, madam?
For the welcome drink?
Citrus basil.
Kasi ba, sir? Pilsen?
Citrus-based drink.
Pilsen.
Basil.
Oh, citrus basil? I thought you said citrus base.
Ayaw mo siya,
Okay,
paduwa niya po
citrus base. So this is mango, citrus? Oh, no.
No.
So it's a particular drink. Is it-
Yeah.
And we have two senior citizens. Okay? Two
Two seniors. Oh.
Thank you.
Bunch of rice.
Bacon burger.
There you go.
With French fries.
Thanks.
This one is barbecue sauce if you want to put.
Okay, thank you.
Others coming.
I'm sorry, Hayes. You get to watch and see. There you go.
Kauna ko yan.
You're doing a good job on your diet, so don't worry about us.
My eyes are awake when I'm around you. You open up sides of me I've never known. You seem to have a way that can bust through the toughest of walls that I've built as I've grown. And I'm not really one for adventures, but life with you gets so out